Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Lucky Projects. So in this video, we have to resolve one particular error, that is no module name torch. I'm trying to run that particular project and got that error. So let's open the project folder, open in terminal here, run the project, Python space start project.py, then enter, and got that error, module not found error, no module name torch. So first we have to check that Python is installed in that system or not. For that we have to just click on the Windows key and then write add the system environment variable, then just click on it and click on the environment variable, double click on the path. So see, Python 8.3.8 is already installed in that laptop. So just copy the location, then click on OK, paste the location here. So you can verify that Python 3.8 is already installed in that laptop, and location also added of a script and a Python folder in the environment variable. So let's go back, again open the terminal and then write pip install torch, then enter. So it will be around 199.4 MB. We have to download that torch. Before installing the torch, we have to verify that Python is installed in that laptop or not. If it's not installed, then you have to download that. Okay, it will download the torch SymPy network X FS spec Ninja 2 markup safe MP math, installing all the packages. Those all the packages we have to install. After that, it will resolve the error. It will take time to download. Okay, now I've successfully installed all the library with the version. So if you want to check the torch is successfully installed or not, so we have to just write pip show torch, then enter. So you can also check the version and the name of the library name torch, and the version 2.4.1. Okay, so that will be the particular error, module not found error, no module name torch, and this will be the solution of that particular problem, pip install torch. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. If you're searching into project ideas in computer science domain, then you can contact us. I will share that particular list with you. Like we are working on multiple domain like Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Django, React.js, HTML, CSS, and many more. And this is a contact number. You can directly contact us on WhatsApp. Those are the titles. If you click on any of the title, then it will open the YouTube video. Information about project. Let's click on the play button. Then it will play the YouTube video. Here it will show complete working about project. These are the hardware and software requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects. If you click on the machine learning, just click on it. Then it will complete list in machine learning domain. Okay, total 177 projects are uploaded. So let's go back. Now end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you want to download that particular list, I'll share the link in the video description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.